Welcome to Adventure Sidecar. Today we are making a rabbit roulade. The first thing you do is lay out a string. You want to make it about a third longer than your roulade is going to end up being. And then you're going to put 3 more strings crossways on it. And again, they should be maybe twice as long as you expect the prosciutto that you're going to lay out on it is going to be wide. So lay those out at right angles to the first string. And what you're going to do is place a layer of prosciutto on top of that. And prosciutto is going to make a mat, and that'll be it'll end up on the outside of your roulade, but right now it'll be your working surface. So just lay that out flat, stretch it out, kind of cover up any gaps. Prosciutto I bought had a fancy package, with leaves between each slice of prosciutto. It was tedious to peel out. You can use bacon here instead of prosciutto if you want. That might work even better. Add a little fat to the rabbit. Either one works. What I've edited out of this video is constant trips over to the sink to wash my hands. It's just kind of messy work, and this time, pandemic panic, we want everything to stay sparkling clean. So, you don't see me washing my hands in the video, but it happens constantly. There we go. Just about done with the first layer. Once you have the prosciutto laid out in a nice flat mat, you're going to add your boned rabbit. And you're going to just set it crosswise to the strips of prosciutto, right in the center, leaving prosciutto at the edges and the ends, because you're going to need to have a little extra to fold over the top. And I laid down a stripe of asparagus. I'm making my filling in stripes like this, lengthwise up the center of the rabbit. When you slice it into servings, then there'll be colorful layers in the middle. So scooping on a little mashed cauliflower, small mound lengthwise of the center of the rabbit, top of the asparagus, making a little trench in the cauliflower. And I'm going to fill that trench with the diced liver. And then I'm going to cover the liver with a stripe of sliced morels. I've sliced the mushrooms lengthwise. They'll go up right at the top of that stripe of liver. And then we're going to add some carrots on either side. There's the carrots. Nice lengthwise stripe. We'll top that trench of liver and mushroom with a little bit more cauliflower. And then we're ready to fold the rabbit in and bring the prosciutto over the top. So just sort of roll it into the center from the edges. There we go. And fold the ends in. And you should end up with a nice log. Rabbit filled with vegetables and wrapped in prosciutto. And once you've got it all covered up, if you've got any extra prosciutto, you can cover up any gaps. You want to kind of seal it up in that.
Well, it's probably not done, but I need to check it.
Then you bring your strings up and you'll be able to tie it into a nice, neat package that you'll be able to drop into your Dutch oven. I say it's a nice, neat package, but when you have grease all over your fingers, tying these knots can be kind of tricky. So I'm going to put that in a hot Dutch oven, and we're going to cook it for an hour and a half or so, just till it's done. And end up with a beautiful rabbit roulade. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Go to adventuresidecar.com to find more recipes for cooking with guys and other adventures. Thanks for watching.